Tracy, are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel?
Absolutely, Brian, but where do I even begin?
Have you figured out which niche to dive into?
Not yet. How do I choose the right one?
Do you know how much different niches can earn on YouTube?
I have no clue. How much are we talking about here?
Do you know what RPM and CPM stand for?
RPM, CPM, sounds like alphabet soup to me.
CPM is the cost advertisers pay per 1,000 views, and RPM is your revenue per 1,000 views.
That sound interesting. So, which niches bring in the big bucks?
Oh, you'll be surprised. Stay tuned to Green Studio as we uncover the top earning niches in this video.
I can't wait. Let's get started.
Have you ever poured your heart into creating videos only to be met with the crushing silence of no views? Or do you get pennies after being monetized? Do you even know how much YouTube page creators in your niche? Welcome to Green Studio. In this video, we will dive into the top 15 YouTube niches and how much YouTube pays for each. Are you ready to ride? Alright, let's dive in. Our first niche here is entertainment and comedy. This niche features videos that aims to make you laugh, like funny skits or challenges. It pays a CPM range of $0.50 to $3. Example of a channel in this niche include Mr. Beast, which has over 299 million subscribers and still counting. But wait, let me tell you what CPM actually means. CPM, which stands for cost per mile, is the money that advertisers are willing to pay to place their ads on your video. So YouTube will take 45% and give you 55%. This 55% they give you is what is called RPM, revenue per mile. Do you get that now? Let's continue. Our number 14 is music. This niche videos features music performance, covers, original composition, and general music videos. This niche pays an average CPM of $0.75 to $1.36. And coming up on our number 13 is gaming. This niche focuses on video games, including playthroughs, reviews, and gaming commentaries. This niche pays a CPM range of $1 to $4. Then coming up on our number 12 is travel and lifestyle. Videos in this niche is about travel experiences, daily routines, fashion, and hobbies. This niche pays a CPM of $1 to $4. And then coming up on our number 11 is pets and animal. Content dedicated to animals, showcasing pet care tips, funny animal videos, or specific animal breed. So do you want to know how much this niche pays? Yes, they pay a CPM of $1 to $4. So coming up on our number 10 is health and fitness. Content related to physical and mental well-being with exercise routines, healthy recipe, and fitness tips. So this niche pays a CPM of $1.50 to $5.50. Alright, our number 9 is DIY and craft. So DIY means do it yourself. So videos in this niche focus on showcasing how to make things yourself, from home decor projects to clothing and accessories. This niche pays a CPM of $2 to $5. Example include 5-minute craft with over 80 million subscribers and still counting. Then coming up on number 8 is food and cooking. Content about preparing and enjoying food, featuring recipe, cooking techniques, and restaurant reviews. So this niche pays a CPM of $2 to $5. Then our number 7 is autos and vehicles. This is a very expensive niche because you will need to have money to be buying cars and be doing some reviews about them. So content in this niche are related to cars, motorcycles, or other vehicles, featuring of course reviews, repairs, car shows, or driving experiences, right? So this niche pays an average CPM of $2 to $6. Then our number 6 YouTube niche is beauty and fashion. This niche focuses on videos about makeup tutorials, skincare routines, fashion trends, and product recommendations. So this niche also pay an average CPM of $2 to $6. Coming up on our number 5th is sports. Videos in this niche are about specific sports highlights, analysis, athlete interviews, or sports commentaries. This niche pays also an average CPM of $2 to $6.
Hey Tracy, can you give a quick rundown of the niches we've discussed so far in this video?
Of course, Brian. We've talked about entertainment and comedy, music, gaming, travel and lifestyle, pets and animal, health and fitness, DIY and craft, food and cooking, autos and vehicle, beauty and fashion, and then sport.
Wow, Tracy, your memory is truly impressive. Alright, let's continue the video. Oh, wait, have you subscribed yet?
Oh, no Brian, let me do that now.
Please subscribe.
I just subscribed.
Okay, let's get back into the video to uncover the big 4 YouTube niches.
Coming up on our number 4 is education. This is a very broad niche. So this niche videos focuses on content designed to teach and inform viewers, covering various topics like history, science, YouTube monetization tutorials, how to grow on YouTube, or personal development. So an example of this niche is this channel, Green Studio, where we offer tips to grow on YouTube, ways to make passive income online, and some video tutorials. Another is this channel, Favor Matthew, with over 34,000 subscribers. This niche pays a CPM of $2 to $8. And now coming up on the number 3 is science and technology. Videos in this niche explore scientific concepts, technology reviews, gadgets breakdown, and tech news. This niche pays a CPM of $3 to $7. Examples of this niche include Marcus Brownlee with over 90 million subscribers and Mark Rober with over 54 million subscribers. And then our number 2, the second high-paying niche on YouTube, is finance and investing. These videos focus on content offering financial advices, investment strategies, and explanation of personal finance concepts. This niche pays a CPM of $8 to $12. And then coming up on the number 1, the top highest paying niche on YouTube, is make money online niche. Videos in this niche provide tips and strategies for making money online, including side hustles, passive income, and online business ideas. So anyone coming into this niche must be able to make his or her research, because this niche requires your audience to trust you with the information you are giving to, because if they finally find out that the information is false, they might end up unsubscribing from your channel or not even watching your video at all. So if you want to come into this niche, you need to be prepared very well in order not to give false information about making money online to your audience. So this niche pays an average CPM of $12 to $20 per 1,000 views. Example include one of my favorite YouTuber, Franklin Emmanuel, with over 280,000 subscribers, and Daniel also with over 287,000 subscribers. So there you have it, the top 15 YouTube niches. But keep in mind that these CPM figures can fluctuate due to factors like your location and some other factors that could influence these CPM figures. If you find this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and turn on notification to not miss the next video after this one. If you want to build a professional YouTube channel, please check out the video above. Thanks for watching.